like a nice set of twins. In this case, I'm talking about cars. I'm about to meet up with a viewer of mine that I've been kind of corresponding with. He's got an identical car to mine, except he's got a bunch of upgrades that I do not have, so it's going to be interesting to see. We're going to make a quick introduction video. I have a couple of ideas for clips for you guys, so stay tuned for those. But today, we're just going to do a quick meet and greet and check out Ray's 2017 BMW M3. There he is. So we're sitting here with Ray's 2018. It's actually not a 2017. It's a 2018 M3, and it's got a couple of options that I do not have, such as obviously it's got the dual clutch. It's got the extended leather, or the full leather, whatever you want to call it, which absolutely looks gorgeous. I really wish my car had it because this leather looks fantastic. The door cards are updated with leather. The dash has leather on it, and actually I just noticed in the back he also has the optional sunshades, which my daughter wishes she had because you can simply just lift them up. Maybe we'll just swap interiors and call it a day. And then on the outside, let's see, what does Ray have? So we're pretty much identical on the outside with the upper spoiler, upper brows, the splitters, and the spoiler. He's got the LED headlamps, which I do not have. He's got the 666 wheels, but in black. Mine are silver, although those are winter wheels. He's got the mirror covers, which I do have. He's got the side skirts on order, so he's gonna get those in soon. He's got a very nice rear diffuser, and he's got a very cool looking rear lip. But most importantly, what he's got going for him are the downpipes and a JB4. Whoever said BMW M3 exhaust doesn't sound good obviously hasn't heard it in person, you know what I mean? And then Ray also promised that he's gonna lower it soon, so that's coming up very, very soon. I can even help him with that. I am now driving Ray's car. Ugh. How do you drive this dual clutch? And that's Ray in front of me. That's so funny. Damn, my car looks good. First impressions driving Ray's car, and sorry about the handheld. I don't have enough time to install my GoPro, but dual clutch actually feels really good. I like it. I can see myself driving it when I'm sitting in a lot of heavy traffic. And why does his iDrive look different? I wonder. It looks different than mine. Why? Oh, you hearing this? So Ray's got a JB4, and I've got to tell you, it feels so good. What a difference. The car feels a lot more responsive. It feels like it wants to spin tires, even though the traction control is on. And holy moly. There you go, that's traction control on, and the tires are spinning. Hey, whose good looking car is that? Oh. Type of power should be illegal unless you have a special license. So Ray thinks he's pushing close to 550, I believe, and I believe him. And I absolutely believe him. I'll learn more about this tune in the coming weeks and months, so stay tuned for that. All right, We're getting closer to Ray's house. I just wanted to give you guys this quick teaser of what's to come in the future. Ray doesn't want to be on camera, but that's okay. He seems like a really nice guy, very knowledgeable, does his own work, so he's kind of like me. He's kind of like me, but less obnoxious, or maybe not obnoxious at all. But I feel like together we'll get along just fine, and we'll make some cool videos, and we'll learn from each other. So on that note, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this. Oh, I'm running away. I hope you like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, by the way, my jacket matches the leather. How cool is that? I should probably get this leather. Why am I so excited? Because I'm driving someone else's car, and it's cool. All right, bye.